Most people waste hotel points on average hotel rooms. But here's the truth no one tells you. Some of the best point redemptions in 2026 are actually all-inclusive resorts. We're talking food included, drinks included, entertainment included, sometimes even airport transfers included. And if you use points correctly, you can save thousands of dollars on one vacation. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use hotel points for all-inclusive resorts in 2026, which hotel programs work best, and the biggest mistakes people make when booking these trips. And near the end, I'll show you the one hotel program that currently offers the best overall all-inclusive value for most travelers. Let's start with the basic idea, because many beginners get confused immediately. An all-inclusive resort bundles your stay with meals, drinks, and resort activities. Instead of paying separately for every meal or cocktail, most things are included up front. That's why these resorts become expensive fast with cash. A family vacation can easily cost several $1,000s. But points change the equation completely. Now here's where it gets interesting. Not all hotel programs handle all-inclusive resorts the same way. Some barely offer options. Others have become incredibly valuable. Right now, Hyatt is one of the strongest programs for all-inclusive redemptions. And this is one reason travel enthusiasts love Hyatt points so much. Hyatt partnered heavily with all-inclusive brands through its Inclusive Collection. That includes resorts in Mexico, the Caribbean, and other vacation destinations. Now let's make this practical. Imagine Alex wants a 5-night Cancun vacation with his wife. Cash price? Maybe $4,000 after taxes, food, and drinks. Using Hyatt points? The total could become dramatically lower depending on the property and season. That's why these redemptions feel so powerful. But here's the problem. Availability disappears quickly. This is where most people fail. They wait too long to book. All-inclusive award nights are often limited because demand is massive. If you want peak season travel, booking early matters. Now let's talk Marriott, because Marriott also offers all-inclusive resorts. Marriott's portfolio has grown significantly. You can find options in the Caribbean, Mexico, and Europe. But here's the catch. Marriott award pricing is dynamic. That means redemption rates fluctuate constantly. One week, the same resort might cost 50,000 points nightly. Later, it could jump much higher. This unpredictability frustrates many travelers. Hyatt generally feels more stable and easier to plan around. Now, here's where things get really important. You need to understand occupancy rules. Some all-inclusive resorts charge extra points for additional guests. This surprises people constantly. For example, John books a room expecting his kids stay free. Suddenly, the points price increases dramatically because of extra occupancy charges. Always check guest rules before transferring points. And in a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to avoid getting trapped by bad redemptions. Before that, let's discuss Hilton. Hilton also has all-inclusive properties through brands like Hilton Cancun and other resort partnerships. And Hilton points can absolutely work for these vacations. But here's the challenge. Hilton often requires very large point totals. That scares beginners. However, Hilton frequently runs promotions and generous welcome bonuses, making these stays more achievable than they first appear. Now let's talk about the biggest secret in all-inclusive travel. The real value is not only the hotel room, it's avoiding food and drink costs. This is why all-inclusive redemptions can become incredibly powerful for families. Jake takes his family of 4 to a normal resort. Every breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and drink costs extra. That adds up fast. At an all-inclusive property, many of those expenses disappear. So even if the points cost feels high, the total savings can still be massive. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some travel cards transfer directly into hotel programs. This changes everything. For example, Chase Ultimate Rewards transfer to Hyatt at a 1-to-1 ratio. That's one reason Hyatt dominates this conversation. Flexible points becoming high-value, all-inclusive stays is a huge advantage. Now let's discuss timing, because timing matters enormously. Off-season redemptions often give far better value. Peak holiday periods can become brutally expensive in points. This is where experienced travelers stay ahead. Instead of traveling during Christmas week, they shift slightly earlier or later. The difference in points can be enormous. Now here's the biggest mistake people make with all-inclusive bookings. They focus only on luxury branding instead of total value. A flashy resort with massive point costs may not actually give the best experience for your family. Sometimes a slightly less glamorous property with better food, easier beach access, and lower point costs becomes the smarter redemption. This is why research matters. Now let's talk about resort fees, because this confuses people constantly. Many hotel programs waive resort fees on award stays. That's a huge hidden benefit. Resort fees can easily add $50 or more nightly. Removing those charges increases the value of your redemption significantly. But always confirm before booking, because policies vary. Now here's something else people overlook. Flights are separate. Using hotel points for an all-inclusive resort does not automatically cover airfare, unless you package things strategically with transferable rewards. This is where beginners sometimes get disappointed. They use all their points on hotels and forget about flights entirely. Smart planning matters. Now let's answer the biggest question directly. What is the best hotel program for all-inclusive resorts in 2026? For most travelers, Hyatt currently wins overall. Strong redemption value. Excellent resort portfolio. Good transfer partnerships. More predictable pricing. That combination is hard to beat. But Marriott still wins on overall hotel footprint globally. And Hilton remains competitive for travelers already deep inside the Hilton ecosystem. Now here's the smartest strategy if you want all-inclusive vacations regularly. Focus on one transferable points ecosystem. Chase points for Hyatt, Amex points for Hilton or Marriott. Building random small balances across multiple programs slows you down. Concentrated earning creates vacations faster. Now let's talk about families specifically. All-inclusive resorts can create enormous value for parents. Food costs become predictable. Entertainment stays centralized. Kids' clubs sometimes come included. That simplicity reduces stress dramatically. This is why many families redeem hotel points for resorts instead of luxury city hotels. The overall savings become much larger. Before we wrap up, remember this. The best all-inclusive redemption is not always the most expensive resort. It's the redemption that gives the best overall experience relative to the points used. That mindset changes everything. And honestly, this is where hotel points become exciting. Not tiny discounts. Real vacations. Real savings. Real experiences. If this video helped you understand how to use hotel points for all-inclusive resorts, hit the like button and subscribe for more hotel rewards and travel strategy videos every week. And in the comments, tell me your dream all-inclusive destination right now, because I'm curious where everyone wants to travel in 2026.